We launched Prisma Postgres not because we made a strategic decision that we need to get into the database hosting business, but because our users, our customers came and told us to do it.
Yeah.
Begged us in some cases. So I think that is our main differentiator. It is this massive community of software developers that buy into the brand value behind Prisma, that loves the open source products and want to have a fully integrated experience. So that's what we are delivering. Then on top of that, we're doing some of these technical innovations that I think will make Prisma Postgres more attractive than other offerings. But really that's secondary. The primary thing is that Prisma Postgres is fully integrated. Use the Prisma ORM, create a new application. It's going to just work out of the box. Prisma has this init command that helps you set up a project that uses the Prisma ORM. In the future, that will enable you to also just spin up a database in Prisma Postgres. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to manage your credentials or anything. It's just there. And when you think about a future where people build applications in hours over a weekend, that becomes important because you need to do it again and again and again. You don't want to waste time with all of this bespoke setup and infrastructure management features. You don't want your apps to be set up differently, right? Because then all of a sudden you have 10 applications, 50 applications you need to manage. And if they all work differently, it's a mess. You want that standardized. Standardization used to be a thing in enterprises, right? Where you want all of the teams to work in the same way. But it's also a thing for individual developers, for small teams that are now increasingly working on many different applications at the same time, over time. We're not trying to build a general purpose Postgres offering that people building Python servers should use. They could, but we don't really care about that segment. We care about people who use Prisma, who are in the Node TypeScript ecosystem, people who understand what Prisma is and the kind of sensibilities we have around developer experience. Those are the people we care about. And those are the ones we're building a database hosting platform for. And this is a large group of people, right? As I said, we have more than 1 million developers every month just in Prisma. Databases are universally necessary, right? You need a place to store your data.